Yeah, and for more on the legal side of this issue, I want to bring in Misty Marris now, legal analyst and trial attorney. Misty, it's good to see you. Thanks for joining us tonight.
Oh, thank you for having me. What a terrible story.
Yeah, and Misty,
Just so
first of all,
emotional.
I want to ask, what is your quick reaction to Talia Smith's story?
It is such just a heart-wrenching story, and to see her and hear her speak about her active lifestyle and the care she gave her husband before and now, because of this antibiotic, which is a very, very common antibiotic. She's in a completely different position in her life. But Natasha, it's important to note, she's getting this story out there. She's bringing public awareness. In addition to her story, there are lawsuits relating to this classification of drugs and failure to warn cases across the country. So it is a wide spanning issue.
I want to ask legally, I want to go through the vectors of liability here because there are so many parties that touch this medication. Do Talia and patients like her have a case against the pharmaceutical company, or are they protected by the black box warning? And then what about the doctor or then the pharmacist who actually gave it to her? Who is at fault here?
Natasha, all great questions. So as you said, the pharmaceutical has the warning, the black box warning that they've put out there. They put it on the box. The black box warning is there to advise patients that this type of drug has these side effects. So as you said, it's not that there's a 0% case against the manufacturer, but they do have a safeguard there from a liability perspective. But then all the way through the chain of getting this medication from a doctor to the pharmacist to the patient, anyone involved in that chain could potentially have liability. And a lot of these cases have exposed failures in hospitals to have procedures and protocols relating to giving these warnings to the patients. And it's something that's been a part of these litigations as they've cropped up around the country as this drug is prescribed so frequently.
Yeah, watching Talia Smith's case, and seeing what you've seen, we asked her if she's planning legal action. She is not sure at this time. Do you think she has a strong case that she could bring forward here?
Yes, so the legal theory is what's called failure to warn. And so based on what I've seen and not knowing every single fact, there is liability relating to that. And there are viable causes of action relating to the failure to warn of a side effect of a prescription drug. And that liability could be anywhere from the doctor to the hospital, and all the way down that chain. It could also be, I know part of her story is that once she did experience side effects, that those side effects weren't addressed expeditiously. So to the extent there are any issues there about what was diagnosed and what care was given, that's also the source of a potential cause of action against a medical institution.
Yeah, and I know since we've spoken with her last night, so many viewers have been commenting and saying, not only are they so shocked about this, but concerned for themselves as well and as patients. We appreciate you helping us clarify this. Misty Marris, thank you.
Thank you.